Hey guys, so today I am shooting Jessica and Jeremy. I'm doing an engagement session, but I'm also going to do part of my Epic project. Yeah, I'm still kind of working out some of the details, but that's all part of the plan at this stage. So yeah, let's see what happens.
Traveled round the world, across the 7 seas, saw the Eiffel Tower, the Great Barrier Reef, saw the dancing lines of the Northern Lights, hiked the snow-capped Alps, looking down on life. And I loved every minute, all the beauty in it. I'm not really trying to put them down, but when I saw your face, nothing could replace the way I feel when you're around. Love changes everything. Love changes everything. I had an idea of who he'd be, foreign and full of mystery. Tall and dark, he'd play guitar, he'd draw so